Welcome back, everyone. Today, I want to show you something that could completely change the way you use AI. Think about how many AI tools you're currently using. One for writing, another for research, another for coding, maybe one for images, videos, marketing, or content creation. And somehow, every one of them seems to come with another monthly subscription. But what if you could bring many of those AI capabilities together inside one workspace? That's exactly why Grok Prime AI caught my attention. Instead of constantly jumping between different AI websites, accounts, browser tabs, and subscriptions, Grok Prime AI is designed to put multiple powerful AI models into one centralized workspace. According to the offer, Grok Prime AI provides access to Grok alongside other popular AI models, including Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, Kimi, and more. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Okay, but why would I need another AI platform when I already have ChatGPT or Claude? And honestly, that's a fair question. The interesting part isn't simply having another AI chatbot, it's the idea of having multiple AI capabilities available from one place, so you can choose the right model or workflow without constantly switching platforms. Imagine you're starting your morning with a simple business idea. You could use AI to brainstorm the concept, develop content, create marketing materials, plan a website, generate social media content, work on sales copy, and even explore video or podcast ideas. One idea can turn into an entire content ecosystem. And this is where AI becomes much more exciting. We're moving beyond the idea of AI simply helping you write an email or answer a question. AI can potentially help you move from an idea to something you can actually build, publish, promote, or sell. Grok Prime AI is positioned around this broader workflow, with use cases ranging from websites and software to YouTube videos, short-form content, marketing campaigns, sales funnels, designs, podcasts, music, and digital products. Just imagine the possibilities. A freelancer could potentially use AI to speed up client projects. A content creator could use it to develop scripts, posts, videos, and promotional assets. An entrepreneur could use it to test new business ideas faster. And a marketer could use AI to produce more content without manually starting everything from scratch. And there's another interesting part of the offer. Instead of paying separate monthly subscriptions for multiple AI services, Grok Prime AI is promoted around a lifetime access model with a one-time payment. The offer also states that users can receive access to current and future Grok AI models, depending on the license they choose, along with access to multiple premium AI models from the same workspace. That could be particularly interesting for people who are tired of watching their AI expenses pile up month after month. But let's be realistic. AI isn't magic. You still need good prompts, creative direction, editing, fact-checking, and human judgment. The goal isn't to blindly press a button and expect a perfect business to appear. The real opportunity is leverage. Instead of spending hours doing repetitive tasks manually, you can use AI to accelerate the process and spend more of your time making decisions, improving ideas, and creating something valuable. And if businesses are already paying for websites, content, videos, marketing materials, social media assets, and digital services, those AI capabilities could potentially become tools you use for your own projects or services you offer to clients. One workspace, multiple AI models, more possibilities. And that's the big reason Grok Prime AI is worth taking a closer look at. If you're currently paying for several AI platforms or constantly switching between different tools, this could be an opportunity to simplify the way you work with AI. The offer also includes a 30-day money-back guarantee according to the source, so you can explore the platform and decide whether it fits your workflow. So, if you want to see what Grok Prime AI can actually offer and whether consolidating your favorite AI tools into one workspace makes sense for you, check out the link below this video. Take a closer look, explore the features, and see whether it could become the AI workspace you've been looking for. Alright, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.